What's up, people? My name's Jack. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about 3 great ways to make money using YouTube. I am going to break down 3 unique business plans, all the revenue streams, and a simplistic way of how you can get started and the game plan of how to start this business on your own, right? So, very interesting video whether you're actively involved in YouTube, just a fan, interested in having a business in the future, or I don't know, any other category that I can't think of, right? And I'm just going to break down 3 individual business plans and talk to you about them. So, let's get into it, all right? I mean, if you're new, by the way, I'm a full-time YouTuber. So, I've been doing this for a long time. I know what I'm doing. My biggest check every month is from YouTube. This is what I do. I know what I'm talking about. Kind of. I'm sure you can find someone who knows a bit more than me, but you could definitely find a bunch of people that know less. So, first off, create an unboxing channel. This one right here is huge because it has 3 different revenue streams. Creating an unboxing channel is a great business plan because you make money through affiliate income, you make money through ad revenue, and you make money through reselling the products. Believe me, I do it. Company sent me these 2, right? That right there, that's a product I need to review. That shelf has a whole bunch of shit I need to review. Companies send me their products, which are high-value products. These are 2 gimbals right here that I've been sent and I need to do reviews for Moza and Zion, right? And basically, I do the review, and I put a link in the description, so if anybody actually purchases the product, I get a piece. Also, the videos have ads on them, which means ad revenue is being generated, and also, I then resell them on Facebook Marketplace for cash right after I've done the review, basically, and I generate money from them that way. So there's 3 great revenue streams for this business, and that's why it's a very lucrative business. It's something that is also pretty fun. Like, I'm actually a fan of stuff like this. Like, I'm a full-time, video producer, so it's actually cool for me to get something like this. So there's a novelty of getting something cool, using it all, making the review, and then also selling it for money, which is also something I think is cool. I'm a businessman at the forefront of anything. So, basic game plan, how you get into that. First off, review all your own products. No one's going to send stuff to you right away, so find your keyboard, boom, review it. Your mouse, review it. Your webcam, review it. Your monitor, review it. Even if you had them for years, just get videos on the channel. Honestly, not very long, like 3 to 5 minutes max, and basically review loads of stuff. 2, make the email very clear. So put a contact email in the description and on your channel, so companies, once they find these reviews, can hit you up about their reviews and send you products, right? Make it very easy to contact you. And after you've done a good amount of reviews, it will not take you long for companies to be hitting you up and offering to send you products. I've been sent the most random shit in the world. Companies, some of them, I don't even think they even care if I review it. They just trying to give me products. People have sent me fucking water shoes. I've been sent a kettle before. Literally, a kettle. I mean, I didn't even do anything with it. I've been sent all sorts of hilarious stuff. Binoculars. They don't even research. So basically, once you got a few reviews, companies, believe me, they're just giving away products. They'll just send you products, and basically you can then review them, make money off affiliate income, Amazon affiliates, make money off ad revenue, and make money by reselling the products on FB Marketplace. Thank me later. Anybody could start this channel. It's very, very simple. Awesome. Business plan number 1, done, dusted, and talked about. Business plan number 2, the way I make all my money, create an SEO-based YouTube channel. SEO means search engine optimization. So basically, you've got 2 types of YouTubers. A YouTuber who basically relies on their fan base to watch every video, and a YouTuber who produces content that is evergreen, which means it's as relevant in 1 year as it is today, which means if you do SEO to this type of video, search engine optimization, and make it easily findable through the search results on YouTube, you can generate money from that video for years and years to come. For example, this video right here, top 3 best free video editing software, I made that video nearly 2 years ago, and I still make $1,000 every single month because that video is on the search results generating views. That's mad. I spent 10 minutes on that video to record it. It's only 10 minutes. Then I spent maybe 30 minutes planning it, and then I spent maybe 45 minutes editing it. So let's say 2-hour total work put in, and I've been making $1,000 a month from that 2 hours ever since I made that video. Literally amazing. In terms of return on energy put into it, amazing. Now, that's obviously the best video I've ever that's the best performance, right? So other videos, maybe I make $1 a month or $10 or $200, right? But overall, an SEO-based channel is potentially better than having an entertainment-based channel because you have these little soldiers out there working for you, making money, right? And essentially, you can make money off ad revenue, boom, as I am, sponsorships, because once you've built brand, sort of credibility within a niche, people will start sponsoring you. And also, you could start some merch later down the road, start selling a product, digital or physical. So you have an audience who can obviously, push stuff to the audience later down the road that obviously makes sense. I mean, you start pushing these motherfuckers Old Spice deodorant, maybe you got a stinky audience, maybe they buy it, maybe they don't. You know what I mean? So it's got to be something that's relevant, right? So how would you get into that? First, create videos in a niche. You're going to have to get a catalog built. Make sure the SEO is on point so they're findable, right? Make sure this is an SEO-based channel, so make sure the SEO is on point and they're actually findable. Over time, your channel will grow in the niche. Eventually, you'll have a catalog of content generating a bunch of money, and also sponsors will find you and they'll want to get in front of your audience and start paying you money. And then also you could start a product in the future, digital or physical. So, bunch of different income streams, more of a longer game plan. Like within a month or two, you could have a pretty good unboxing channel. Within a month or two, you'd have to be very lucky to have a profitable SEO channel. Like you'd have to have picked the right niche, right? So SEO-based channel, I'm very, very, upfront. That's a longer term plan right there. That's a longer game plan right there. It's just the reality of the situation right now. Start a brand and use YouTubers as marketing. This is the final business plan here, and it's not something I even do, but it's something that I'm on the other end of. A brand that wants to generate sales within the video production niche especially will find a channel like mine and they'll pay us some money. They'll give us, $600, or they'll give us this, or they'll give us that, right? They'll give us a lump sum of money, basically, to then make a video reviewing their app, essentially, right? Or talking about their product, or maybe even just doing like a quick 30-second shout out at the start of a video, right? They basically see that your audience, my audience, an audience, is worth getting in front, so they will pay you money to essentially do this, right? Now, I put a tweet out today that said something along the lines of, I'll fucking pull the tweet up right now, right? And read it, because I would have put it on the screen. I said, a brand pays a YouTuber $1,000 because they think they can get more than $1,000 worth of value from them. This is why you should start your own brand. Why promote somebody else's? They get the value. Sure, you get upfront cash, but in the long run, they win. And this is very true. This is why if you're an actual brand, you can be getting a massive amount of leverage out of YouTubers. And it's the thing that I'm talking about, why I don't want to promote other brands, because I'm giving them more value than they're giving me. And this is why if you're a brand, you could get a bunch of value out of YouTubers. Now, that's not so, just potentially start that today, but the income stream is sales generated equal cash. So basically, there's not three awesome different revenue streams. Basically, it's more straightforward. Sales generated equal cash. Now, also, you need to have cash to pay these people to promote you to even have the possibility of generating sales, right? So you need some capital. Or you could do a nifty thing where you do an affiliate, in which case you have to give them a significant percentage of the sale to really make it worth it, to really make them incentivized to promote it. Like literally, if a company isn't offering me like literally 30 to 50% of sales generated, I'm not actually interested in affiliates. But then again, I'm someone who's thinking in the mind of a brand pays you $1,000, it's not worth it, right? So you can find people who aren't necessarily thinking like me. And I'm not saying exploit them, but you can definitely tap in and do influencer marketing and tap into their audience and make money from it. Now, that's the reality of the situation. I'm not doing that, but that is definitely a huge business model on the internet. Tap into YouTubers. It's called, influencer marketing. Massive, massive, massive. Start a brand, pay YouTubers for promo, make sales equal money generated. That's the business plan. So overall, guys, that right there is 3 great ways to make money using YouTube. Hopefully this was interesting to you, because certainly interesting to me. I've been very fascinated with YouTube for a very long time, and I've been immersed in this thing since for like a decade. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I had my first big success as ItsJackCole here, the gaming content creator, when I was 15 to 17. Went away, started my production company, and then came back teaching people how to do what I've been doing, the video production game, how to make money making videos in 2017, and basically been here ever since. Now we're transitioning into more business content type of thing, sort of. Let's see where we're going. Listen, I got no necessary game plan I'm sticking to. I'm making this shit up as I go along. I'm having a fucking blast. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have an absolutely awesome day. Follow Creator Dashboard on social media. If you don't know about Creator Dashboard, just go check it out. Type in Creator Dashboard. Have a look if it's something for you. That is my brand. That is what I promote. that is that's my thing that I own. Anyways, take it easy, guys. Have a fucking awesome day. Peace.